Did you know that with a small change in care, an ordinary Anthurium can develop darker green leaves, stronger roots, and more consistent blooms over time? What's interesting is that this method doesn't require chemical fertilizers or complicated techniques, but uses simple, easy-to-find ingredients at home. In today's video, I'll share a complete natural care routine for Anthurium, with clear, practical steps that are easy to follow, even for beginners. If you want your plant to be healthy from the roots, beautiful on the leaves, and strong in the long run, watch until the end because every small step makes a real difference. Before moving on to the next care steps, I check the overall condition of the Anthurium. Looking closely, I notice many young leaves, growing too close together in certain areas of the plant. When young leaves grow too densely, the plant can spread its energy thin, restrict airflow, and reduce how effectively each leaf absorbs light and nutrients. This dense growth can also create a humid, trapped environment, increasing the risk of fungal problems and pests, especially with regular watering. That's why this inspection, although simple, is very important, helping the plant grow more balanced and prepared to absorb nutrients more efficiently in the next steps. To care for my Anthurium today, I'm using bay leaves, a simple ingredient that's often overlooked, but when used correctly, it can provide clear benefits for the plant's growth. I prepared 10 bay leaves, chop them into small pieces, and place them in a clean glass jar, allowing the active compounds to release more evenly during use. This preparation helps keep the solution more stable, allowing the plant to absorb the nutrients gently and effectively. Which country are you watching from? I'm truly happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect, chat, and share our love for plants together, no matter where in the world we are. Next, I add 3 tablespoons of rice to the prepared bay leaves. Rice provides a mild source of starch, supporting beneficial microorganisms and making the solution gentler and easier for the roots to absorb. Then, I pour in 1,000 milliliters of boiling water and stir well, allowing the nutrients from the bay leaves and rice to begin dissolving into the water. Once everything is well mixed, I seal the jar and let it steep for about 1 hour, allowing the nutrients to slowly release, forming a gentle, safe solution suitable for Anthurium plants. After steeping, the solution becomes easy for the plant to absorb, supporting healthy root development, steady growth, and long-term plant safety. After steeping the bay leaves and rice, I strain out the solids and keep only the nutrient-infused liquid. This step helps prevent residue buildup, reducing the risk of root blockage or fungal issues in the growing medium. Proper straining keeps the solution clean, easy to use, and safe for the plant, especially when applied regularly. Next, I add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the solution, making it gentle and stable, so it won't shock the plant when watering the roots or spraying the leaves. With this dilution, we get a fully natural nutrient solution that's easy to absorb and especially suitable for ornamental plants like Anthurium. In step 1, I use a clean cotton pad, soaked in the diluted bay leaf and rice solution. Then gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves from top to bottom. This is not just a simple cleaning step, but also a direct form of leaf care, helping the plant stay healthy and absorb nutrients more effectively. As the leaves are wiped, the solution helps remove dust, bacteria, and tiny insects, allowing the leaves to breathe more freely. Clean leaves improve photosynthesis efficiency, supporting better metabolic activity and steady long-term growth. The bay leaf and rice solution contains natural compounds that soothe the leaf surface while helping strengthen the plant's natural resistance. Compounds from bay leaves also help limit mild fungal growth and harmful microorganisms, especially in humid or warm conditions. Regularly wiping the leaves with this solution not only keeps the plant clean and healthy, but also makes the leaves darker green, shinier, and more even in color. As a result, the Anthurium looks fresher and more vibrant, enhancing its aesthetic value in your living space. In step 2, I apply the bay leaf and rice solution by spraying it onto the Anthurium. The solution is placed into a fine mist spray bottle and evenly applied to the upper and lower leaf surfaces, stems, and exposed root areas. Light misting allows the plants to receive nutrients evenly without water buildup, while supporting absorption through both leaves and stems, not just the roots. The bay leaf and rice solution contains natural compounds that help stabilize the leaf surface, support metabolic activity, and maintain balanced growth. Compounds from bay leaves also help reduce mild fungal and bacterial growth, especially in humid or low airflow conditions, lowering the risk of leaf spotting and soft tissue rot. Even application helps distribute nutrients to active growth points, especially new shoots and growing tips, which play a key role in leaf quality and overall plant vigor. With this approach, the Anthurium is nourished holistically, maintains a balanced form and healthy leaf color, and is well prepared for the next step in the care routine. In step 3, I water the bay leaf and rice solution directly onto the entire growing medium, making sure it reaches the root zone evenly without water pooling. This watering step provides a gentle, stable source of nutrients for the roots, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. Rice supplies natural starch and B vitamins that support beneficial microorganisms, while bay leaves help stabilize the root environment and limit mild harmful microbes. With regular use, this solution helps keep the growing medium loose and well aerated, allowing roots to grow stronger, spread evenly, and anchor firmly. With a healthy root system, the Anthurium grows more consistently, produces new shoots more easily, develops darker, thicker leaves, and shows more reliable flowering over time. After watering, I let the plant rest for about 10 minutes, allowing the roots to absorb the solution slowly and safely before moving on to the next care step. After soaking the Anthurium in the nutrient solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the plant out and move it to an area with diffused light. This is soft, natural light that is not direct, ideally filtered through shade, curtains, or foliage. Next comes step 4, drying the leaf surface, a small but essential step for protecting the foliage and maintaining long-term plant health. I use a clean, soft, absorbent cloth to gently wipe the entire leaf surface, paying close attention to leaf joints, petioles, and veins where moisture tends to remain. Drying the leaves helps prevent water buildup, reducing the risk of fungal growth, mealybugs, and leaf rot, especially in humid or low airflow conditions. Clean, dry leaves allow the plant to photosynthesize more efficiently, breathe better, and prevent water stains or white residue that can affect leaf appearance. After wiping, I keep the plant in diffused light with gentle airflow, allowing the leaves to dry naturally, helping the plant stabilize, recover well, and stay healthy over time. With just simple ingredients like bay leaves and rice, we can create a fully natural plant care method at home, without chemical fertilizers or complicated techniques. With a little time, patience, and care, the plant will respond, with healthy green leaves, beautiful blooms, and lasting vitality. Anthurium is not just a decorative plant, but also a symbol of resilience and good fortune in your living space. Thank you for watching and joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, so I can continue sharing more natural and plant-friendly care methods. See you in the next videos.